This calming spiral flow design is easy to quilt with just a regular presser foot, no walking foot needed, and it takes less than 30 minutes. Here I have a 6x6 quilt sandwich, but you can use whatever size you want. We're going to start in the very center. You're gonna pull your bobbin thread to the top. Lock your stitch into place. Then, we're going to sew 1 or 2 stitches at a time, gently turning the fabric after each stitch. Take this moment to connect with yourself. Pay attention to your breathing. Use the stitches to pace your breathing. You can use to breathe in, and then you can also use to breathe out. It's a wonderful opportunity to pace yourself. I left my starting thread tail on top because I wasn't sure if I would bury or cut it later. While sewing, I didn't notice it at all. I was totally in the zone. But you can decide whatever works best for you. Sometimes you will feel like speeding up to get it done. Notice that urge. This is your chance to slow down and be present. This is also a great practice for paddle control. Too fast or too slow will determine the shape of your spiral. And here's a spoiler, this gentle pace trains your foot for free motion quilting. As your spiral grows, you might sew 3 or even 4 stitches before turning the fabric. This is where you start to feel the rhythm and create your own pace. Let the movement guide you. Take your spiral all the way to the edge. You will see little empty spaces in the corners. We will fix those next. Fill the corners with gentle curves or echoes. There's no wrong way here. This is your creative time. When sewing the corners, check your backing. It can sometimes fold under the presser foot. This block took under 20 minutes from start to finish. You can join this with other blocks, or you can bind it and use it for a mug mat, a pot holder. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it. And this is block 1 of my Calming Design series. Block 2, the wavy path, comes out on August 13th, so make sure you subscribe.